In the name of Allah, the most gorgeous, the most merciful, praise and blessing be upon you all. Praise is due to Almighty Allah. I am the Muminul Islam State then on 4 August 24 issued a writing declaration calling for the final implementation of one-point movement and encouraged protesters under the Digital Information Technology Act to Assembly New Bangladesh. On 5 August 2024, I proclaimed the sovereignty of a great new independent Bangladesh and remained awaiting the formal institution of the sacred oath as President and test architect of the new Bangladesh. At the Deputy Commissioner Office in Sherpur, my home district, date 08-10-20-2025, I officially submitted documentation and issued a public declaration calling for the fall of the fascist parliament of the New Bangladesh. I further applied for the highest national honor, namely the President Guard of Honor Regiment Promotion and National Medal. Therefore, on this 28th the day of February 2026, respectfully submit this petition to the International Crime Tribunal and World Crime Tribunals in accordance with the Digital Information Technology Act and East Regulation Station and to the Head Ministry of the United as well up to the Honorable Chief Justice of World Crime Tribunals. I humbly request the immediate conferment of the National Medal and President Guard of Honor Regiment as applied for, and for the request urgent measures to eliminate this crime station in New Bangladesh and to ensure the security and protection. I myself and the citizen of New Bangladesh formal declaration and report date 28 February 2026, I hereby declare that following the final resistance against the so-called fascist 12th Parliament and in accordance with the Constitution of the New Bangladesh, Presidential Guard of Honor under the sovereign authority of the New Bangladesh. However, despite record station and election, the test honor due to me has not yet been conferred. As a result, I further declare that the 13th Parliament formed under the leadership of former President Chuppo and former Army Chief Wakaruজ্জামান, both appointment during the pure regime. Next, lawful legitimacy under the sovereignty of the New Bangladesh. Therefore, I hereby proclaim this solution of the said Parliament and the clear East members illegally met in the context of the New Bangladesh pursuant to the Digital Information and Technology Act and other applicable legal provision. I submit this result and declaration to the Honorable Chief Justices of the International Crime Tribunal and the World Crime Tribunal, as well as to the United States, requesting the impression of the highest appropriate yet legal penalties for action deemed unlawful and detrimental to justice and sovereignty. Submitted respectfully, MD Mominul Islam, South Nokla, Sherpur, Mymensingh, Dhaka, New Bangladesh, 0508-20-22 Here, may Allah protects us all. Thank you.